I would like to talk a bit about a main reason why papers get rejected. That is a too thin theoretical or managerial contribution. Now, what can you do to avoid this problem? Well, try to go after ideas that allow to build a whole research program. That is, try to come up with something that is really novel and not to look for, again, another moderator of an already extensively researched phenomenon. Now, where can you find inspiration for such novel ideas? First idea could be just to simply look around you and see what is changing in society or in a marketplace. For example, a few years ago, we noticed that some marketers started to promote vegetables by making them look like tasty products, such as French fries. And this gave us the idea to investigate whether food shape mimicry pays off and why and when that will be. Secondly, you could also just talk to practitioners or attend practitioners' conferences, as you will hear there which problems or questions practitioners are confronted with. Not all of their issues or worries are appropriate for solid academic research, but sometimes they offer nice inspiration. And for example, a few years ago, we learned from a meeting with retailers and snack manufacturers that they were worried about what would online grocery shopping mean for their product category. And this inspired us to investigate whether consumers would buy relatively more healthy versus unhealthy food products when they purchase online versus offline, and why that will be. Third, you can also first read the literature in your own field, of course, but then read literature from other fields, from other disciplines. And this could help find phenomena that have been studied in other fields, but that have not been studied yet from a marketing point of view. Now, importantly, once you have come up with one or more ideas, try to reflect very critically on the relevance of the idea. And for example, is a phenomenon you want to investigate important enough? And will your results matter, or will they make a difference for governments, for marketers, or for consumers, or for retailers? So think of how you can motivate this research and that it's really called for, that this research is being carried out, because in your positioning of your paper, you will have to add something like this. And simply saying like, nobody has done this before is not a good motivation, as there may be really good reasons why this research has not yet been done. And so think about the relevance and the need for the research. Then next, conduct a very thorough review literature to make sure that your idea is indeed novel, so that you're not just inventing or reinventing the wheel. And finally, if you're a CP researcher, such as I am, try to think of your idea in the format of a whole research program, going from what is the effect, why does it occur, when and for whom does the effect occur, and does the effect occur in real life? It's not always necessary, but probably you already know that many journals and reviewers like a research program investigating the main effect, the mediation and moderation effect, and beginning or ending with a field study or a database study that shows that the effect occurs also outside a lab situation and that it is something that really occurs in reality. Well, this is also more and more called for. So it's not an easy, but certainly an exciting journey. So good luck to you all.